What's up guys, welcome back for a new video. Thanks for checking out the channel and hope you stick around. So if you like this channel, you like this video, be sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future. Before we start this video, this is an install video, so if you haven't watched the previous video on what we are installing, go watch that, but I will do a quick breakdown. I've had these side skirts, or side splitters. I already tried to take this side off and it broke, so we need to get a heat gun. But they're these Home Depot style side splitters. I have a video on this if you want to learn how to make these. Go back a little bit. It's a really cheap way to get some side splitters for your car. This is what the other side looks like. Just a subtle little addition to any car. We are replacing them with these. These are NA Miata side skirts. And yes, they are going to go on this, or my NC Miata. So we're putting these on today. It should be a quick little install. It should be pretty easy. Just do some tape, some screws, etc. And yeah, just follow along. If you want to find some of these side skirts, you can get them really anywhere. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and let's get started. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna take this heat gun because there is double-sided tape. It's the really heavy duty stuff. I'm gonna do a little bit of double-sided tape to try to get it loose and then pop this whole thing off. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just kind of clean up some of these little tape marks underneath, and then we'll be able to figure out how to put this thing on and go from there. So all the tape is off, and I kind of just set it up underneath the little jack stands here, just to kind of get the fitment right, so it'll line up on that end, and it will line up on this end. So this ends up fitting really well. And it's a little bit wider than the Home Depot ones, which is really what I wanted in the first place, but I'm glad that I'm doing this now at least. So they're a little bit wider in the back. It's called like the feed style or something. So it's a little bit thinner up front, a little bit wider in the back. Not a big deal. What I'm gonna do next is I think I'm gonna put one piece of double-sided tape on the front, or I guess on the whole thing, and then just put it in place. Then I'll screw it in from the bottom, and should be in there pretty good. All right, so it is on there now. Looks good to me. I'm liking that. It's lined up with the inner little, I guess, frame, not the frame rails, but just the little metal piece that runs along the underneath. So as you can see, it kind of bows out at the end there like it's supposed to, but otherwise it is lined up straight. So now I'm just gonna put some self-tappers in through the bottom, lower the car back down. Say that looks pretty good if you ask me. It is still like a subtle mod, but I think it looks a lot cleaner than the Home Depot ones. I mean, the Home Depot ones were fine, but this looks a lot more aggressive, and I think it fits the car better. It goes to the wheels and everything. Oh, that looks good. All right, well, I'm gonna go do the other side, and then I'm gonna open the garage so we can get a little bit more light in. And you'll probably be able to see them a little bit better, but man, that looks awesome. I'm super happy with the way this turned out. It's little stuff like this that get me excited. Well, I think we nailed it. It looks really good. I like it a lot better than the Home Depot ones. I think it looks all around just more clean, and I don't know, it's hard to describe. It just looks good. It looks right. It looks like they're meant to be there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments about the side skirts. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for everyone who watched my live stream on Friday and asked me questions. I really enjoyed talking with you guys. I got some really cool questions. Happy to talk about the cars and other people's cars and just cars in general. So remember, this upcoming Friday I will be live streaming again, so I hope you join me at about 8 to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So I will be there. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Hope your football team wins today. Yeah, so get ready for new vlogs this week. Should have something else coming in the mail tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, so we'll reveal that then whenever the time comes. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this install video, and I'm really liking the way the car's coming along. Oh, I'll save that for a vlog. We'll talk soon. So see you guys tomorrow. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video. I'll see you in the next one.